Picture yourself in a beautiful garden, surrounded by unique rustic pots, each showcasing an array of vibrant plants and flowers. These aren't just any pots, they are Hypertufa pots. Crafted with care, they are lightweight, porous, and versatile. Now imagine creating these beautiful pots yourself. It's easier than you think. Creating your own Hypertufa pot is an engaging and rewarding process. You need 3 main ingredients: Portland cement, peat moss, and perlite. To kickstart this fun project, you'll first need to mix equal parts of these ingredients. This concoction forms the base to our Hypertufa pot. It's essential to blend these elements thoroughly, ensuring a consistent mixture that will give your pot the durability it needs. Next, it's time for a bit of creativity as you mold the mixture into your desired shape. A little secret here is to keep the walls about an inch thick for that perfect balance between sturdiness and aesthetic appeal. Once you've sculpted your masterpiece, it's time for patience. You need to let your creation cure. This could take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on the size of your pot and the weather conditions. Remember, the curing process is crucial. It's what transforms your wet mixture into a hard, rock-like structure, giving your Hypertufa pot its unique rustic look. Finally, after all that waiting, it's unveiling time. Brush off any loose material and there it is. Your own handcrafted Hypertufa pot, ready to add a touch of rustic charm to your garden. Creating Hypertufa pots is not just a hobby, it's a journey into a community of garden lovers and DIY enthusiasts. Together, we share the joy of crafting, the thrill of learning, and the satisfaction of watching our gardens flourish. Our channel is a treasure trove of rewarding DIY projects, where every new video is a step towards growth. So, if you found this video helpful and want to explore more, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Join us in our journey to create, learn, and grow together.